Alright, Team Chewy Octopus, you're the last team that I'm doing today. Make sure that I got the latest build on your... There we go. 7 to 7, okay. Come back in here. Open this up. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. Like the little gummy octopus, that's cool. Chaos Requiem, last stand. How to play. Oh, wow. Alright, move, WASD, look is the mouse, spacebar is the jump. You press it in midair, you can dive kick. Light attack is left mouse button, throw weapon is right mouse button. Heavy attack is E. 1 is fire, 2 is lightning, 3 is earth, 4 is ice. Change camera is tab. Wow, that's a lot of them. Okay, how do I go back? I like the rooms. How do I go back though? Oh, P, no. Shit, I haven't even started the game. This might be one of the first issues to address. Let's try that again. I kind of got stuck on the how to play bit. I don't know if I just didn't see the back button or if maybe it got taken out. All right, let's just start the game. Okay, so the tab just kind of zooms the camera. That's cool. It is really dark in the level. I do like that weapon throw. Thin this crowd out quick. Pink. Oh, that's cool. Let's go some speed. What that? Something that blew me back. That was cool. Let's do health. I just got hit by something else. I like how enemies are coming from all different directions. Okay, that's what that was. It was self-destructing. If I had to suggest something to differentiate those, it would be, I don't know, make them a different color for now. That way you can tell which one is which. Because they kind of, the growing effect is, but you kind of don't know until it's too late, if you know what I mean. Why does this guy have a black? Oh, there it goes. Must have had some armor that had to break. Alright, let's see here. See if I can get past where I did last time. Oh, there's throwing sit jumping at me now. You can't resist the throws over throw. Oh, I got defeated. What? One thing I noticed, the UI things, if you change those from world space to screen space, they should always stay facing the player. That way you don't have to kind of guess or wonder if the health thing's broken if the enemy is faced away from the player. But overall, this is a very nice start on the game. Keep up the good work. I like it a lot. Appreciate it.